The next student is Mr. Kamal Kumar.
Before starting, I would like to welcome our chief guests and guests, and want to pay a special thanks to Sir Ghulam Mustafa Nizamani for organizing such an awesome function. Hello Paragon School, me Kamal is proud to be here with you as a debater on the topic, do I feel shame to be the man of this age? I am against of this topic. I feel proud to be the man of 21st century, where Allah has provided us many blessings and comfortabilities. To accept the unaccepted shows is thoroughly the modern intellect. Here now I would like to compare the both age, the age of 90s and 80s and the age of 21st century. I would like to start from music. As you know, in the first age there was not completely proper music. But in 21st century, people listen music, people enjoy music, people take interest in music, even people learn about the music. Why? Because of goodness. And then I would like to tell you fast communication, just like mobile. Nowadays there are mobile, only in few seconds your message will receive to your dearest. But in first time people used to give their message to the birds. Sometimes it receives, sometimes does not. Fast travels. In 21st century, there is the cars, trains, buses, vans and etc. But in the past time, there was donkeys and others. People used to take so much time for going here to there. But in today's age, you take only a few hours for reaching to anywhere where you want. Few hours or more, in few minutes you can also reach. And now I would like to tell you about the hospitals. At the first time there was no kind of hospitals. People even die from the TB and the malaria diseases. But today in 21st century there is a solution of even cancer. And now I would like to tell you food which our 21st century people like. The food at the first time the people kill to the animal and eat them. But in our age people cook the food and clearly and they clean it, then they eat it. Why? Because of the goodness. And now I would like to tell you that comfortabilities like AC, generator, machines and etc. through which people earn more and work less. I would like to repeat that people earn more but work less. So I hope you have understood my topic, and at the last I would like to tell you the purpose of the modern age. The task of the modern age is not to cut down jungles. The task of the modern educator is not to cut down jungles but to irrigate deserts. Thanks.
Thank you very much, Mr. Kamal Kumar. The next student